I'm so amused by this thing.
Same.
We should have been taking a video of it when it was like having strobe lights.
Oh, yeah.
That was funny. Because it was exactly with the music, too.
From back here, it looks like it's humping my phone.
It's
like, like, no, don't thrust me.
Danola!
oh my god, it's got speakers on its eyes. That's so weird.
Is it showing in the video?
Yeah. It's Asian now.
Seriously, stop humping my phone. Stop.
It's not even touching it. Well, it's furs, but.
We dance, oh yeah. We dance, oh yeah.
We dance, oh yeah. We dance, oh yeah. That's so funny. We dance, oh yeah. We dance. Oh, it's over. What are you gonna do? You're still dancing. She won't stop. She will not stop. It'll play the next song.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I get over this. I love this thing. It's too bad Rachel wasn't here.
Is this gonna freak out? Oh god. Is it freaking out? No?
No, it's not getting ready. It's just dancing. Every time she moves, I have to like focus the eyes. Is that 3 minutes?